They be serving. They serving, bro. Meow. Hit him. Don't hit me though. Hit him. Music video. They look like they about to box somebody up.
Ow.
What the hell? I mean, it's. What's happening? Okay. Oh, okay. Muscles. Damn, okay, wait, hold up.
I'll let you go first. I'll do worse. Hit him where it hurts. Leave you in the dirt. Put in work. Hit him where it hurts.
I feel like she gonna hit me or something. I don't. The way she came.
I'll let you go first. I'll do worse. Hit him where it hurts.
Oh, chill with that typo.
Put in work. Hit him where it hurts. Hit him where it hurts.
What we hitting though?
Hit him where it hurts. You won't act right. We active as side today. This ain't no cat fight. We big.
I wonder if this is an actual gym.
Okay, what you gonna do? Make your move. Me versus you. No round two. They waiting on halftime.
No round two.
It's over. Stay sidelines. Hey, we ain't never gonna stop.
Hey, I'm gonna beat your ass. Hey, I'm gonna beat your ass and hit it when it hurts. Hey. It's just such a cute moment for me.
We ain't never gonna stop.
They look good though. My ooh.
Gonna take it to the top.
Top.
Gonna leave you in the background. Give it all, we go. As I on this now.
Ooh.
Take a shot, we go in 5, 4, 3, 2. I'll let you go first. I'll do worse. Hit him where
it hurts.
Leave you in the dirt. Put in work. Hit him where it hurts.
Hit it when it hurts. Whoa, what the?
Hit him where it hurts. I'll let you go first. I'll do worse. Hit him where it hurts.
Oh, where did dust come from? That was the dirt. That was the dirt where he's laying in.
Hit him where it hurts. Hit him where it hurts. I'm a lot to handle. I don't think that you can handle. Hello, mother.
Yo, they be serving. They serving right now.
We ain't never gonna stop. We ain't never gonna back down. Gonna take it to the top.
Top.
Gonna leave you in the background. Give it all, we go. As I on this now.
Okay.
Take a shot, we go in 5,
Take a shot of what though?
4, 3, 2.
Soju?
What
did he say?
Hit him where it hurts. Leave you in the dirt. Put in work. Hit him where it hurts. Hit him where it hurts.
Oh.
Hit him where it hurts. I'll let you go first. I'll do worse. Hit him where it hurts. Leave you in the dirt. Put in work.
Hit him when it hurts.
Hit him where it
Okay.
hurts. Hit him where it hurts.
Oh. They're actually doing like workout kind of choreo.
Where it hurts.
Hit it when it hurts. That actually does sound like a workout kind of song too. To be honest, I'll probably put it in my gym playlist. All right, y'all. That's it for Meow performance video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.